This is the 2-in-1 PMD Clean Pro. It is two devices in one. The Sonic Cleanser, which we've seen for years, which is a vibrating cleansing device, which helps exfoliate your skin gently and also get your skin super clean. This comes with 4 settings. And it is great for helping to exfoliate your skin. I love it when I've got sunscreen on my skin. If I've had especially dry skin, it's very gentle to your skin, but also works super effectively. So we've seen Sonic cleansers that are rechargeable before, but what makes this super cool is the other side of this device. Now this one is a heating device that warms just to a nice warm temperature, and I use it with my serums to help activate the serum.